What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again with another unboxing video. This time it's a little smaller box. I haven't done an unboxing video for a while, so figured why not make another one. Real quick, I'm going to cut off my information here. There we go. Alright. Now to the meat and potatoes of it. What's in the box? Let's find out. So, up here. Figured maybe I'll do a little talking. Got a motorcycle driving by outside. Hopefully it doesn't pick it up. So today in the box we have a pair of Rockford Fosgate full range speakers. That's right, everybody. FRC2203. These are the 3.5 inch. Let's see if we can zoom in here a little bit. There we go. FRC2203, manufactured 2/20 of 2001. Let's open them up. I'm going to take a look at them here. So real quick on the back, the specs, we've got 3-inch speaker specification, 15 watts RMS, 30 watts peak, frequency response, 80 hertz to 22 kilohertz. Nominal impedance, 4 ohms, mounting depth, 1 5/8 or 41 millimeters. Made in China. These are not the older ones that were made in the United States, unfortunately. Mounting depth and all the information. I'll hold this up here if you guys can see that. Sorry for the poor light conditions. Now we're going to open them. Make sure we got everything here. They even still have a little soft tag for anti-theft. So we've got our little RF stickers and our little hardware with our speaker clips on it. Mounting screws. There's 4 of them in there. We've got our roll. I always call it 2 rolls. I know it's 1 because they're joined, but usually you just snip it here and you have your 2 rolls of, what is it, probably 18 gauge speaker wire. Then we have our instructions or owner's manual. Pretty simple. Now our speakers. So these were brand new old stock. Came across them, made a guy an offer on them, and he accepted the offer. These, I don't even think have been out of the bag. Looks like they're taped up. All the joys of tape. Alright. Here we go. Once again, the lighting's not very good in my garage. Here's the back. FRC2203. These are the 2-way, so look pretty good. Once again, I'm a big Rockford Fosgate collector. I've got other videos covering everything from amplifiers. I've got some covering the older punch power subwoofers. I've got a couple of those. I actually have a total of 4 or 5 of them now that I need to end up doing some videos on. I already have some. Ended up made one over a 12-inch old school punch power with a chrome magnet. So that'll pretty much wrap it up. Pack job, guy did okay. No, not a big deal. You're not here to care about the packaging. You're here to see the product. So there you go. Rockford Fosgate punch full range speakers from circa 2001. And thanks for watching. If you like it, check out my other videos. Give me a thumbs up. If there's something you guys have a question about, feel free to ask. And I'm just going to keep running through everything that I own, everything that I keep buying. So more videos to come. Peace.